This conference will now be recorded.
So this session I am discussing about monitoring and managing Linux processes. So this process, what is meaning by process? A process is a running instance of a executable program. So any program when we are executing, it will become a process. So we can see that we can see the process by using the ps command is using for seeing the process. So we are executing one VI program. I am executing. VI is a program. So we can see that it's a program is. So we can see where is this program is stored, which command will show. So user bin directory VI program is there. So the VI program when we are running. So this is the program. This is the program. We can check here when we go to the CD user bin directory, and we can see that this VI program is there. VI is a executable program, so it is having a size of this much size is there. It's a executable program. So when we are executing, the VI program will work. So I can execute in the background. So when I do this symbol, so the program will work in the background. So when I do ps command, we can see that it is showing VI is running here. So whenever we executing, so I already given VI. So when I do FG means the program will come into the front end. So we can see now I am in the VI. So I'm typing so many things I'm typing. So we know VI editor how it is working. But when any program when we are executing, so it will become a process. So I can created a file I created. So I am just telling process is a running instance of a running instance of a executable program. Any program when we are executing, it will become a process. So I am going to use some zip command I am using. So whenever any program is run, suppose I can give some command sleep 30 seconds. I want to sleep it. So what will happen? This is a sleeping command. So it will become a process. So control C I'm doing. So so this way we can see this process. So and the process having status. So process can be running state. So the code is R, T means stopped, and sleeping process, a zombie process. So we know running process means is it running, and stopped process, sleeping process. Zombie process means some process parent process is stopped. So then the child process will be zombie process. So we can see all the process by using ps command. So ps hyphen aux. So we will give some options generally ps hyphen aux. There are a lot of system processes are running. So all this we can see by ps hyphen aux command. Also we can give by ps hyphen ef command. Also we can use. We can see all the process. So cron process, ssh. So many processes are running in the system. So I want to grep it. So I can filter it. I am going to search for grepping. Grep means filtering. So I can do ssh. You can see the ssh process we can see from here. Ssh is a program running on the system. So grepping means we are filtering only the ssh process. So ps command al means it will show the long listing. So it will show the list ps-l. So we can see that the status is showing it is yes is there, running is there. S means sleeping process. So I can run vi, so that also will show vi ampersand, it will go at the background. So ps command we can check. So this ps hyphen l we can check, and this is t means stopped process, s means sleeping, r means running. So now I want to stop one process. For example, vi process I want to stop. So I can, every process having a process id. So the process id is very important. So we have to, and this is the parent process id. I want to stop this VI, I can give kill the process ID 2661. So I can stop the process by using kill 2661. So when you do foreground FG1 command means VI is not working. So when you do PS command, so the VI is not stopped now. So we can kill the process by the kill command. So the process ID is there and we can kill it. And when we are giving the kill command, so we have a lot of signals. So when we are doing the generally when I do kill command, so there are some signal is going, the TERM signal is going. So I can run the VI command and I can see the PS, I can see the process ID. VI process ID is this, so I can kill this by using kill. So when we are giving standard killing command, so it is using a TERM signal it is using. So that means it is a graceful killing. So it will free all the resources, memory, everything they will stop. They will make it free and they will stop it. So this is a graceful stopping. Even if whenever I am giving this, just giving kill command also, otherwise I can give a kill TERM command also. It is a proper shutdown, properly stop, properly we are stopping. It is a graceful stopping we are doing. So FG command, it is not there. So when I do PS, the VI is stopped. So I'm going to run VI. Again, I want to stop the process. So sometimes when we do the normal kill command, this will not stop. So I have to give a signal kill hyphen kill command. So there is a kill signal I am giving and I have to give the process ID. And we can kill it quickly, we can kill it. So we have multiple kill options we are giving. So we can give kill commands we are giving kill and process ID, and that is a standard way of killing, and that is equal to so I'm giving a command kill and the process ID I am giving. So I can give kill hyphen TERM signal I am giving process ID. Both are same. Both are the graceful stopping. So if you want to forcefully we want to stop it, we can give a command kill hyphen KALL and the process ID. So and we have to know this is a number also we can tell. This is also equal kill hyphen 15 process ID. So that is also a standard way of stopping, graceful stopping. So kill hyphen kill is forcefully we are stopping. Suppose some process is not stopping, we have to give a signal kill hyphen 9 PID also we can give. So these two are we are stopping. These two commands are equal. We are stopping it in a forced way, and this is the graceful killing we can do. So we can kill them by kill hyphen kill also, kill hyphen 9 also. So there are signals are there for stopping the process, and we can run some process in the background using VI ampersand. We are giving this symbol. This will go into the background. So whenever doing backup jobs and all, we can run in the background. So we can see the jobs command. Jobs command is there. We can see the jobs are running. How many jobs are running? We can see one job is running. So we can kill that job by using kill percentage. The job number also we can give. So percentage 1 means the job we can stop it. So FG means there is no process is not there. PS command means it's not PS we can stop. So we can run a process in the background. So when I am using VI, so VI is working now. So when I do control Z, it will go to the background. So I can do control Z. So it is in the background now. So we can see jobs command. It will showing that it is in the background. So when I do FG, I can make it into foreground. FG means foreground I can make. Control Z means control Z. It will go to background. So I can open a VI program and I can give control plus Z. I can make it a background. So the program will work in the background. And I want to run it in the front ground, I can just give the FG command. So whenever we are running a program, directly we can send it into background by using VI ampersand symbol. So the jobs command will show all the jobs are running in the background. And if you want to stop the jobs, you can give kill percentage job number, like we can give. So I am discussing about a process. So process is a whenever a running instance of a executable program. So any program means it is only it is in the hard disk. But when we are executing this, it will becoming a process. And the process status is running, stopped, sleeping, zombies. Other status is there. So we can see the status by ps-aux, psc-ef, all we can do. So thanks for watching.